Hello everyone. Today's video will be very interesting. Have you seen any astronaut nearby you? No. What astronauts do? Where they live? Where they sleep? What do they eat? And many questions. Let us see in this video. Hello, myself Anushka. Welcome to Anushka's educational channel. Let us start. We know that the earth has a layer of air around it, the atmosphere. Have you wondered about what is beyond the sky? Have you ever wondered about what is beyond the earth atmosphere? Let us see. Beyond the atmosphere, there is an open space where there is no air. All the heavenly bodies we see in the sky are present in this space. To learn more about them, we have to travel to space. But there is a problem. How can we travel to space, these heavenly bodies? First, we have to travel through the earth atmosphere and then through the open space beyond it. We use aircraft and planes to travel for far away places. Can we use aircraft to fly into space? No, we cannot. Let us see why. We know that the gravity pulls everything down. For example, a ball. When we throw a ball up, it falls down. Why? Because of gravity. The earth gravity pulls it down. So, our rocket cannot go straight. So, our rocket will grow cross. But we can throw rocket out of earth? No. We want a special vehicle to travel out of space. For example, spacecraft. A train takes us from one city to another city. Aeroplane takes us one continent to another continent. Like that, the spacecraft takes us from the earth to space. Spacecraft take many artificial satellites and also carrying human to space. Who fly the plane? Pilots. But the pilot are also named as astronaut. Astronaut also flies the spacecraft. Spacecraft has International Space Station. What do astronauts eat? They need healthy food. They can take any food in space. The pack will be nice, but they can take salt and spice in only liquid form. If they take dry, so it can go anyone eyes. They have very importance of water and they use water when they need and they protect water. And in earth we have seen that we filled water with in bottle and then we put it down so the water falls down, but in space nothing happened like that. The water get like a jelly, and in cold drinks, fruit juice and like many cold drinks are getting in like this jelly. The astronaut take many experiments, for example plant growth, and many more experiments have in earth that happens, but in space it can't. When astronauts go in space to research, they have to give a suit, helmet, shoes, and the suit protect from the harmful sunlight, and mainly it produces oxygen. In space, any astronaut remove the spacesuit, it can be heavy for his body, and the harmful sunlight can affect on the blood, body and bones. Many people have dreamed that they want to go to space, but it is possible. Yes, it is possible. Many years we have to study and hard work to be an astronaut. We have to study and get a degree in engineering, science or math. After this we have underground training and flying the spacecraft, lifestyle in space and so on. We have trained on the training center. We must be healthy since astronaut training can be very tiring. astronauts from different countries may share a mission to space. So you should be good. Common language of communication means English. Are you still interested? If you maybe someday you can orbit the Earth and the spacecraft work in space or visit Mars. I think you have understand this video and astronaut information. So please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.